Alrighty, so here we're taking some silver skin off the picanha. This is a prime picanha. We're taking some silver skin off, some extra fat. We usually go for about a 1/4 inch of fat in each picanha that we do. That's a prime. Now we're gonna cut it. Always cut it with the grain, so when you do the finishing cut, you cut against the grain if you're doing the picanha in steaks. Alrighty, and you want to go for a 2-inch or about 2 fingers each cut if you're doing it in the steaks as well. You can go a little bit bigger, a little bit smaller. It depends how fast you want to cook it. Sometimes we do the picanha whole. It gives you that beautiful, delicious crust on top, especially when you score the picanha. And this is the Wagyu picanha. This is Marble Score 7 Australian Wagyu picanha. As you can see, I'm having some trouble cutting it. The thing is that the fat literally melts as soon as it touches the surface. Alrighty, so now all we're doing is we're taking out some extra fat. You don't need that much fat, as you can tell. Look at that marbling on that picanha. It's just absolutely stunning. So now what you want to do is hit it on each side with some nice coarse salt. In my case, I'm using kosher salt, but you could use coarse Himalayan salt. You could use some nice rock salt. You could use sea salt as well, and you're all set. I like using a cooling rack to rest the steaks. It works out perfectly each time and allows enough air to circulate underneath it, so the steaks don't have to rest quite as long. And now we're ready to hit the grill. So we're getting the steaks ready for the reverse here by giving them 10 minutes on each side at 250 degrees. Alright guys, so here we have the Australian Wagyu Picanha versus the Prime, the USDA Prime. There's a big difference in cost. This is about $6.99 a pound where I got it, and this is about $22 a pound. So what we're going to try today is, to see if there's actually a huge difference, or if it's even worth actually going for the Australian Wagyu. So to start, let's go by the Australian Wagyu. We're going to cut against the grain. Some little slices there for you. Medium well. I don't know if you can see that there. No comment. Same. Alright, now we're going to go for the USDA Prime. A little more rare, but I like it anyway. I eat it raw. Alright guys, so actually the camera had died. This is the first video, so excuse that. But as we were saying, the Australian Wagyu is just way more tender. It's amazing. So much flavor, so much juice. I did overcook it a little bit more than I wanted to, but it's insane. I mean, the prime is amazing. You can get probably select picanha. I know it'd be amazing. Amazing, out of this world. I mean, picanha is really like the queen of like beef cuts in my belief. We all know the cowboy cut, the tomahawk, the ribeye. Those are really the kings. But this is amazing. All right, guys. So that's pretty much it. Like I was saying, we smoked down the pit boss for a little bit, then reverse seared it. It's out of this world. A little bit of salt. That's all you need. You don't need garlic. You don't need pepper. Although that's amazing. It'll be really good. But that's basically pretty much what you need. So yeah, if you guys give it a try, let me know down in the description below in the comments. And yeah, just keep on going.